Hey everyone, we're back again. Brought Jade out this time. He's just setting up over there, setting the sluice up. I'm just going to dig a big hole through here. So we just started, we did a bit of prospecting and yeah, so we're just going to go down through here and dig this out. So got a few steps out of here, and I think we're in your spot, Mr. Sluicer. I think that's where you were there. You were over that area somewhere. Someone's dug a big hole over there. I think that's where your rock was, but we've just come up a bit higher behind this big rock. So we'll see what's behind here. And yeah, so nice day, cracker day. We're here for a couple of days, so yeah, nice bit of river, creek, river, whatever you want to call it. So it looks good. So hopefully I'll come back to you when we've dug a bit more out of here. Cool. See you soon. Hey everyone, back again. Jay's just digging. Oh, look at that big boulder. That's what I've been standing on trying to move all day. Oh, woo! Jeez. That's a big puppy. Well, that'll be good. That'll get us down that next layer then. Top job. Now we're just digging down there still, so I guess it turned out a reasonable sized wee flake. So hopefully we'll get onto it now. Haven't really been able to see too much in the box. I think there's a few little bits just in the middle of the stream there. Another big bit just there, I think. Well, it's not looking too bad. Yeah. So yeah, we're just sort of cruising along here, so hopefully we'll get onto it a bit more and see what comes up. Yeah, we're starting to get the hole a bit deeper now, so getting down to it. We'll see how we go. We'll be back soon. Jade working hard in the hole. Looking good. Got a few holes. There's another big hole over there someone's dug. There's one, if you see it, there's one just behind this. Right there. Can't really see any more. Yeah, no, that's good. Well, we'll carry on and I'll come back to you shortly. what's in there. You want to put a bucket under it, right? Keep it clean. Got a few up under there. There. Now we'll see what comes out of the net. We've done a fairly big hole. Works up to just the top of my thighs, I guess. Yeah, just the top of my thighs. And I'm 6'2", so it's a wee way down in there. So yeah, we'll see what comes out of it. Come back shortly. Well, we've done a clean out, final clean out, so that's what we got. Not horrible, but yeah, we were expecting a lot more than that, considering how far we dug down. But yeah, I'd say there's only about 0.3 there maybe, something like that. And right. So yeah, considering how far the hole goes down, yeah, never mind. We'll try again. Alright, see you on the next part tomorrow. Might go for a detect now, so see what we get. Alright, see you later.